previous video, we learned how to control MP3 player by Arduino using push buttons. Today we will prototype similar control functionality using infrared remote. The infrared sensor signal is supplied to the A0 analog pin on Arduino, which decodes our remote codes and sends corresponding commands to the MP3 player. Okay, so let's connect power. Our remote codes have been already determined and programmed, and you can see that player already starts to play. So here is a remote. We are going to increase the volume. Reduce the volume. Switch to the next. Again, switch to the next. Next. You can also use pause, resume, previous, volume up.